Hello everyone, this video is about SLAM and 3D mapping in a custom built environment using Kinect sensor and laser rangefinder, which is mounted on a Husky robot. We will be using simulation of Husky robot. This environment is created by me in Gazebo. You can find the world file as well as all the launch files in my GitHub link, and the link to the Husky robot repository is also available in the same link, which will be provided in the description. You need to save the world file in the worlds folder, which you guys can find in the Husky robot directory, husky_gazebo directory, and then move the files husky_3d.launch and husky_3d_world.launch in the launch folders. Once you have done that, we can start with our process. So guys, this is the robot. You can see the Husky robot in the image in the Gazebo simulation. This is the laser rangefinder and this is the Kinect sensor, which are mounted on the top of the robot. Now we will be opening the RViz for the visualization of the laser scan as well as the 3D scans. Now we will be using the Gmapping launch file for the SLAM part of the video. So guys, now I will be giving a goal position for the robot to reach, and you can simultaneously see the laser scan as well as the 3D scan of the objects that are present in the 3D world. So guys, this was a simple video on SLAM and 3D mapping using Kinect and laser rangefinder. The link to the GitHub repository is given in the description. Stay tuned and stay healthy. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe.